All right, we're doing this house over here. Customer got flooded out in the basement and wasn't sure how to get rid of the water because the drain pipes don't work underground. And the yard, she used to have a pipe right here going into this pipe, but it all leaked. So she is surrounded by 1, 2, and 3 garages. They're all dumping right in here. And if you look at this, it's all going back towards the house. On top of that, she had her own downspout drain. She has another downspout over there. They plugged it up on top for now because they scoped the underground and it's cracked. So now we have the solution here. We have a larger downspout. We already have the max flows. And then we have a clean out, a larger clean out. And then we have this pipe system. They're gonna paint everything. The house is gonna get painted. So it turned out nice. And then this goes around and then goes around the corner like that. This is just a temporary solution, of course. I'm gonna get some people saying, oh, this is ugly. Yeah, but when you got rain coming, 1 foot of rain a week, and there's no time to dig any trenches here because this is more of a summer job, and it's gonna get really expensive to dig a trench all the way because she's got irrigation system, she's got electrical. So this is just a temporary solution for now to get the water away without having any flexible pipes. And made a connection right here. And these drain pipes are tagged, do not reconnect. So connected the second downspout to it, and the drain pipe comes out right here. So there you have it. All the water is gone.